Highlight prices in your own way. Show a slider or simple input boxes so shoppers can filter by budget fast. In this plugin, the price filter has 4 styles: price, slider, slider to input price range. From your WordPress dashboard, go to product filters. The first option is for manage. Find show price range. Toggle it on. This is the main switch that lets the price filter show on the shop page. Then you need to click save changes. Now the next option is form style, and from the drop down choose price. This is where you pick the style and customize everything. The first style is price. This one shows a clean slider without input fields. Shoppers just drag to set the range. You can keep minimum and maximum price as auto set and can choose the minimization option from here, and can choose if you want to show or hide the widget title. And from here you can add the widget title. Now click save changes. Now visit the shop page and you can see the price range is coming with a slider. Now let's go back and select the option slider and click save changes. Now we can see the price range. You can add manually price here like 50, and also can filter by the slider. You can filter by both ways. Let's go back. Now let's choose the option slider 2. Now click save changes. Now if you visit the shop page, you can see the price range. There is no title for minimum and maximum price. Let's go back and let's choose the fourth option, input price range, and click save changes. Now visit the shop page. It shows only the minimum and maximum input boxes. It's perfect for stores that want a simple form look like. Go back. Here you can rename the input levels like minimum price and maximum price. That's all 4 price styles. Pick the suitable one that matches your shop design. Save and test it on the shop page.